What if 6 simple AI tools could add an extra $50,000 to your annual income while cutting your work hours in half? Last month, over 2.3 million professionals discovered these exact tools, and the results have been staggering. One marketing consultant in Toronto went from working 60-hour weeks to 25 hours while tripling her client revenue. A freelance designer in Texas automated 80% of his workflow and now earns more in 4 days than he used to make in 2 weeks. These aren't fantasies or get rich quick schemes. These are real AI tools being used by real people to create extraordinary wealth and freedom. In the next 12 minutes, you'll discover all 6 tools and exactly how they're transforming ordinary careers into income generating machines. Tool number 1 is Claude, and this isn't just another chatbot. Claude is the strategic thinking partner that's helping professionals multiply their output quality while dramatically reducing time investment. A content marketing agency in London used Claude to develop comprehensive strategies for Fortune 500 clients. Their development time dropped from 40 hours to 6 hours per client, while their strategy quality scores increased by 65%. Tool number 2 is Midjourney, the visual content creation powerhouse that's generating millions in revenue for creative professionals. A social media agency in Vancouver increased their client capacity by 300% using Midjourney for content creation. They went from serving 15 clients to 45 clients with the same team size, generating an additional $180,000 in annual revenue. Tool number 3 is copy.ai, the marketing and sales copy generator that's transforming how businesses communicate with customers. A digital marketing consultant in Chicago used copy.ai to scale from handling 8 clients to 35 clients without hiring additional staff. Her annual revenue jumped from $85,000 into $340,000 in just 14 months. If these AI tools are already opening your mind to new possibilities, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on. We're just getting started with the 3 most powerful tools coming up next, including one that's generating passive income streams for thousands of users. Tool number 4 is Notion AI, the productivity multiplier that's helping professionals organize their entire business operations. A project manager in Austin used Notion AI to streamline operations for a 50-person company. She eliminated 30 hours of weekly administrative work across her team and improved project completion rates by 85%. Tool number 5 is Jasper, the content scaling engine that's enabling single operators to compete with entire content teams. A freelance blogger in Manchester used Jasper to scale from publishing 4 articles per month to 60 articles per month. Her monthly income increased from $2,800 to $18,500 while maintaining high content quality. Tool number 6 is Zapier AI, the automation powerhouse that's creating passive income streams by connecting and automating business processes. A consulting firm in Seattle automated their entire client acquisition and onboarding process using Zapier AI. They now handle 40% more clients with 60% less manual work, resulting in an additional $250,000 in annual revenue. The key to success with these tools isn't trying to master all 6 immediately. Start with the tool that addresses your biggest bottleneck. If you're spending too much time on writing and strategy, start with Claude. If visual content is your challenge, begin with Midjourney. If marketing copy is your weakness, copy.ai is your starting point. The professionals seeing the biggest returns are those who treat AI tools as team members, not just software. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. These 6 tools represent the difference between struggling in the old economy and thriving in the new one. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry. The question is whether you'll be leading that change or watching from the sidelines. If this video has shown you what's possible, hit that like button right now, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're releasing advanced tutorials for each of these tools over the next month. The future belongs to those who act today. Your AI enhanced future starts right now.